What's up, people? I just wanted to make this quick video because I don't really see a lot of the motor mount videos online for this car for real. So the first thing you want to do, get you some liquid wrench, BB blast or whatever. And this is a 5.7 Hemi. You want to lube up all these things right here, boy. This one is already done, but you want to lube up all the nuts, all the bolts, everything, studs, everything. Days before you even do it, and on the day that you do it, so it could be much easier. So for this engine, you gonna want to put the jack, put 2 blocks of wood or how many other pieces of wood you want on the jack head, so it won't mess up the oil pan. You gonna want to put pressure up there a little bit, take these 2 nuts off, and go to the other side. See, that stud broke off. I put that new nut up there though. Take those nuts off. And you might, depending on how old your vehicle is, you might want to order new studs. I went and did that. Had to buy new studs, new nuts and studs and stuff like that. So once you take those 2 nuts off, you're gonna jack up the engine. Then it's gonna be 2 more up there. It should be pretty easy for you. This job should take at least 3.5 hours, maybe 4, if you new at doing stuff like this. So take those 4 nuts off. The studs might come off with it. That's okay. I mean, that's better actually. So once you take that off, it's gonna be 2 bolts up there. First, you're gonna need to take the heat shield off. The heat shield is gonna be sitting up there. The heat shield is sitting up there like that. Not quite like that, because that's fucked up. But it's gonna be sitting up there like that, just like that. And there's gonna be 2 bolts in there that you're gonna have to take off. Just slide that to the side. Just throw that back there. Once you take that off, take off these 2 nuts right here, 2 nuts on the other side. Jack the engine up a little bit, as high as you want, or whatever. Take these 2 nuts off, pull this up, and slide it right down. So I finally got that stud out, boy. That wasn't no joke. This one cracking bad. The other one was terrible. This the new one. So when y'all remove those on this side, you just jack the engine up once you remove those 2 nuts, and then you remove the 2 15, I want to say, millimeter bolts that's right there. The alternator bracket, I'll let that flop down once I loosen the nut up on that. Y'all probably can't see it though. It's right here. I'll let that just flop down. The other side, I got that done. The driver's side, I got that done yesterday. That's the easy side. But that's all you really have to do. It takes a lot of time, especially if you never did anything like this before. But yeah. And don't be scared to jack up the engine on the oil pan. Nothing should happen. I know this look kind of ugly right now, and I'm about to lower it back down once I get these bolts in, but alright.